Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles, and in today's video we're going to understand if you should keep your Hot Wheels car carded or uncarded. Both of them have their own positive and negative side. So before I tell you, I would urge you to please like, comment and subscribe. And now I have the carded Ferrari SF90 Stradale and I have the uncarded Ferrari SF90 Stradale for better comparison and review. So now let me tell you, for the carded collectors, so being a carded collector, you would prefer the card to be in 100% mint condition. That is, you do not want any scratches or you don't want any blister damages on the card. So the advantage that you have is that you can always preserve the car in the mint condition. So the car will always be new to you and you can uncard it whenever you want. And few of them would prefer to use acetone, and you'll remove the car, and when you're bored with it, you can put it back in. One of the main major advantages being a carded collector is you can actually display the car. You have the J hook here for the purpose, so you can display the car with the card art. So that will look nice, and it's up to you if you want to keep it carded or uncarded. Now let me tell you, being an uncarded collector, so the first advantage is that you can actually feel the car in your hands. You can take this and you can have it for photography, or you can make your own diorama set, and you can display it in multiple places, and then you can see all the 360 degree, so you can see the detailing and everything up close. But if it is there in the blister, you are very limited. And one more advantage is that you can actually roll the car, you can actually play with it. So that is another advantage being a Hot Wheels uncarded collector. And you can shoot different movies, or you can even have a customization of your Hot Wheels. So few people would like to repaint their car, or they would want to change the tires, so and they would put in the rubber wheels. So that is another advantage of being uncarded collector. But there are disadvantages. So one thing is that if it is carded, and suppose let's assume it falls somewhere, so you do not have to worry that there will be any damage on the car, because the blister will protect it most of the times. But the disadvantage here is, if this car drops or if something happens, so there's a high possibility that there's a scratch or something, and many of them would actually feel very sad being a collector. So that was another disadvantage. But over a period of time, since I have uncarded a lot of Hot Wheels, so when you uncard it, and especially if the rims are painted, because of moisture, it will start turning black. So the paint quality goes down if you have uncarded it. So it has its own side being a Hot Wheels carded collector or an uncarded collector. So this was it, guys. This was a short video where I had to inform you guys what are the advantages and disadvantages. I may have missed a few of them. And one more thing being a Hot Wheels carded collector is that when you keep all the cars next to each other, right? So that view, that is the ultimate one. You can see all of them, and mainly because of the card art. Some of you may preserve the card art and you may uncard it. So again, that's up to you. So this was a short video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Do check out my other videos. Guys, follow us on Instagram. There's a lot of content coming up. See you guys in my next video.